For centuries, the River Neath has been home to the Atlantic salmon, one of Scotland's most iconic species. However, in recent decades, the return of adult salmon to this river has been depleting year on year.
The issues that I have seen that the fish are facing here is the erosion of the immediate land zone just at the side of the watercourse, and that means that the channel goes very wide, increasing water temperatures. We're using IoT temperature sensors supplied by Vodafone business, and those sensors are submersed under the river. Then we have terrestrial sensors that are working on the river bank, and then we're able to assess that over time to monitor the change. It will tell us which parts of our catchment are most vulnerable and how we can then apply tree planting and other initiatives to try and resolve those issues. We have been monitoring stocks of salmon for the last 30 years. The technology that we're now using is very much more sophisticated, and we have very accurate data.
We see lots of opportunities for IoT to better support the environment and sustainability agenda. IoT technologies can work in many remote and hard to reach places, which opens up the opportunity for many more use cases within the wider landscape.